Today I show you an LED bike light set from Lidl. This is the Crivit brand. They have, and it's a front light and a rear light, the red light here. It doesn't seem to have a reflector on the back, so you still need a reflector, but the front light, looks pretty powerful. The price was about 15 euro, I believe, and it's kind of not great. Maybe, I don't know. Let me know if it's expensive or no. But you have here. Okay, so this is the front. This is the package, and let's see what's it on the package. Brightness, front light maximum 7 lux. I don't know what that means exactly with the lux. I wish it was written with the lumen, how the light bulbs are, but I guess it depends on the distance. Backlight 4CD. Backlight 4CD. Looks like they like to change the unit all the time. I'm not really familiar with this, so maybe this is really the standard how to write this for the front light and backlight. You can run the front light almost 10 hours and the rear light 5 to 6 hours. Automatic light control. I like this part where it can automatically switch. It has a sensor. Okay. So very bright and lightweight front light. Battery powered with adjustable brightness. Okay, front light with built-in lithium rechargeable battery, 18,800 milliampere hours with colored low battery indicator and OSRAM LED. I guess it's a good LED. Rear light with built-in lithium ion battery, 300 milliampere hours only, but it's a small light, and you have to recharge them. This is it would be annoying to remove them and charge them, but yeah, that's how it is. Okay, it's lithium batteries, low self-discharge, 3 years warranty. That's what you get in the package. USB cable, USB-C, and the mounting straps, front and rear light, and lithium technology OSRAM. Okay, we'll see how good it is. I'll make a small demonstration of installing it, but not in this video. Or maybe I will, I don't know. And okay, so 70, 30, 15 lux or automatic brightness mode. That's the contact information and the barcode. Okay. So let's open it up. It has one seal here, which is intact, and the second seal here, which is also intact. And okay, I will open it now. Okay. That's it. That's the rear light there. Okay. Oh, it's soft. This is nice and rubbery. Then you get the cable. A big manual. So it's gonna be, I think this is just a generic link, but you could search for the model. It's a lot of this stuff. I don't know, this is some kind of, this one is in Greek. Okay. So I'm not sure if I can show you this one in English at all. Lots of paperwork here. warnings. Okay. Maybe this one is more interesting. So that's how you use it, how you install it. Okay. I'm gonna look at the pictures, but there is any... there is here. LED bike light set. So you have the components, that's how you install it, that's how it's installed. On the bicycle it has this mounting bracket. Yep, and that's how you charge it. Okay. You get the introduction, you can pause here, so we don't make this video too long. You can pause for each one, so you get the installation and then the continue with installation, operation, and then continue, and this one and that one. And here is another language. Okay. Okay, so that was it. That was the English part. The rest were just different languages. Let's see the rest here. Oh, looks really powerful. I hope it is as powerful as it looks, because it looks really solid. Okay, so nothing else in the box. There is some stuff. I think it's from the packaging. Some paper residue, I think, because now most of things are packed with paper. It's good to reduce the plastic waste, but this actually feels really solid. It feels really well built, and it doesn't smell too much, so that's good, I guess. Let's see the rear one. Only the smell of rubber from this. So let's see the USB cable. Pretty short. It's about like, I don't know, 40 centimeters, maybe 50 or 60 centimeters. Pretty short. It's like this. USB-C, so that's great. But you don't get a charger, so you need to have your own charger. But that's not surprising. Okay, so that's what you see. It's interesting that you can see the actual electronics inside this. So it's surprising that it has so many things there. It's just a light, but it's actually the BMS, battery management system, charging controller. There are a lot of things there, because you actually use this, you can charge it. You charge it with USB-C here. And how do I open this thing now? It has this system. Okay. That's the model information, 300 milliampere hours, and that's the top. It should be like this on the bicycle. And there is the light. The light is working, and it's pretty bright. I mean, it doesn't seem very bright on the camera, but I assure you, it is bright enough in real life here. And you can use this on anything, really. You could even put it on yourself if you're walking somewhere, or most of the time this goes on a bicycle, because it's made to be mounted on a bicycle, and you can have this. So this is the maximum size of the mounting. So it's elastic, so you can easily mount it on and the back is also rubber, and it's gonna fit really well. Okay. So that one is enabled. And this is the front light, and you can see kind of the LED bulb there. And they should be charged. This is the light sensor, I think. That's the light sensor. It has a bit of a... It seems like it's just an LED. Maybe it's gonna turn on or something. So long press. Okay. And we can use the... Oh, it's really bright. Now it's even brighter. Wow. So this is lowest. So now it's off. Long press, and it's some kind of medium power. Medium power, but it's flickering a lot. Then another press is full power and no flickering. Medium power again, flickering, and lowest power, flickering again. And it just goes through them. Okay, so this one, which one is this? That's the full power. Let's try the full power. Yeah, this is really powerful. Okay. Let's try the medium power or low power. And it should be flickering a lot now. You see the banding on the screen. That's because of the flickering. It's using PWM to reduce the brightness. So it's flashing this, it's blinking the LED really fast at a really fast rate. That's why it looks like that, but you can have the full power. And it really does look, it has a nice line to it. And there is even the top has a cutoff point. So you don't get to put too much light in driver's rear view mirrors. That's really good actually. For a bike light, this is really good. So here you have the indicator of the battery. And I'm not sure how to start the sensor. So long press, and then maybe I do a long press again. No. Long press. Now this is the mode with the sensor. Okay. And then full power without sensor, and dim even further without sensor. And now sensor again. So if I bring this bright light over it, okay, so bright light, okay. Can't really get it to do anything I want. Oh, sensor is blinking. Okay, so I will install this. Yeah, okay, so this is the mounting. I'll turn it off now. That's the mounting support for the bicycle. This is the mounting bracket for the bicycle. It's very rubberized. Everything is rubber here. And there is some kind of a hook here, and then that's how you install it. There is this kind of a hook, and it's installed here, and you can even remove it from this sliding tool. So this goes on the bicycle. This goes on the bicycle like that. You install this mounting bracket here, like a rubber thing on the bicycle, and with this thing you can release the light. Something like this. so you can easily remove the light and take it home to charge it, and also it's not going to be in the rain in case you leave it outside. That's the information here. 1800 milliampere hours. It even gives you the service information, and I don't know if you can open this, probably no, but that's the USB-C charging port here. Okay, I will install this. Yeah, it's really powerful. I will install this on a small bicycle and see how it looks like. On a regular full-size bicycle it would for sure work, but I'm gonna try to see if it works on a small bicycle also. It should work. Everything is really standard sizes with bicycles. The small one, you can't really remove it like the big one. It doesn't have that. It doesn't have this kind of removable tray. So yeah, I hope this helps you get an idea of this bike light, and hopefully it's good enough and it will last. Hopefully it's good enough and it will last a long time, and it's most important that it's strong enough. And it really looks like it's strong enough, and it doesn't have a lot of light. Here there is this line where it's like on the cars. See, there is a light on the light has a hard stop there, so it doesn't go in the driver's eyes, in the rear view mirrors. I have a charging cable here, and I want to show you how it looks like when you're charging these lights. So first, it's USB-C, so you can orientate it however you like. And when you plug it in, when I used it first time, it was about here. So the first line was solid, and then the rest were blinking. But I used it a little bit. You cannot use it while it's charging, so that's not so great. You can plug in a power bank to make this light last for a lot longer. I wish it could do that. So now it's charging, and I unplug the cable. Okay, so now it's charging. As soon as I unplug the cable, As soon as I unplug the cable, I can start using it. Wow, it's really powerful. Okay. The same with the small light. It has a USB port right here. And this one, it's a bit, you can't remove this one from the mount. So when you're charging it, it has this small light. Very small light. There is a green light here. And you get that small light there. And when it's finished, you get this green light. You get this green light kind of on the power button and the small yellow light behind. When it's finished charging, the light will turn off. So they are both working pretty well. I will try them on a bicycle. I will install them on a bicycle and see how they work. But I really like the power of this one. It's really powerful. So yeah, maybe this one should have been with a better battery. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below if you have these. Let me know in the comment section below if you have this light, this bike light and the rear light, stop light. If you like it, if it lasts long, the battery, or you have to replace the battery. The battery is lithium battery, but it's using a lithium battery, but you can replace it basically if needed. Hopefully no need. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.